how to stop people from adding you to random Telegram groups and channels. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you've ever felt frustrated with being added to Telegram groups without your consent, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to stop people from adding you to Telegram groups. Now, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your Android or iPhone and ensure you're logged into your account. In the top left corner, tap on the three horizontal lines to access the menu. Then, in the menu, go to Settings. This will open your Telegram settings. Within the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Security. Here, you'll find various privacy-related options. Under the Privacy section, look for Groups and Channels. Tap on Groups and Channels to access the group privacy settings. Here, you'll see three options for who can add you to groups, which are Everyone, My Contacts, and Nobody. By default, it's set to Everyone. To stop people from adding you to Telegram groups without your approval, select Nobody. Tap OK to confirm your choice. With the Nobody setting in place, now, when someone tries to add you to a group, you'll receive an invitation request. You can choose to accept or decline it. And there you have it. You've successfully stopped people from adding you to Telegram groups without your permission. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful Telegram tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.